Wanna know how to share your Tellonym tells on your Snapchat story? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Share Profile. On the bottom, you can see there is an option of Share Profile with this pink background. Tap on it. You can see that you can press to share your tells on Snapchat, SMS, and even you can share it on Instagram and any of the other apps. Since we are trying to share our tells on Snapchat story, tap on Snapchat. You can see that you need to first connect your Snapchat with your Tellonym, and we do have a separate video on our channel to connect both of the account. You can go and watch them. Now, to share your Tellonym on Snapchat story, first of all, you can take picture at the moment. For that, tap on this capture option with the circle on the bottom. Tap on it just like this, and you can see that now you can adjust your tells and decorate it as well. You can pinch it, and that's it. That's a send me tells. Press link to send me tells on Tellonym, and you can keep it as a story, or you can even send this separately to your friends. Tap on story on the bottom left corner next to save. Tap on add, and you can see on the bottom left corner this is being added to story, and this has been added successfully. So tap on it on the top left corner. You can see that there is your tell on a Snapchat story. Tap on this story. That's it. Send me tells, and I've successfully shared it on my Snapchat. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.